To earn high ticket affiliate commissions, you need these 5 steps. Step number 1 is choose a niche with high ticket products, and there are top 3 niches. Number 1 is health, number 2 is wealth, and number 3 is relationships. Now come to the step number 2. Step number 2 is build a targeted audience through content creation and social media. And now step number 3 is you have to establish trust with your audience through valuable content and strong brand image. You have to get in connected with those people on a continuous basis. Number 4 is you have to offer high quality products that can really add value in their life, and you have to promote those products through email marketing and social media. Now step number 5 is continuously monitor and optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns or your strategies for maximizing profits. And for that you can use the content marketing strategy in the form of free traffic source like as YouTube or Instagram or Facebook Reels or any other platform like as Pinterest, or you can use paid media campaigns.